In today's SweetTube Academy tutorial, we'll be creating our very own custom link hub using Canva. Perfect for sharing all your business links in one cute branded spot. P.S. I'm not affiliated with Canva. I'm just a huge fan of all their tools for creative minds and small business owners. Okay, so let's jump into Canva. Here on your dashboard, you're going to hit create a design. Click on website because we will be publishing this page. Click on elements, then type in background or choose background. See all, choose any one of the backgrounds you like. Then right click and set it as a background. Then add your logo to the middle of the page. So resize it and just drop it in. Let's preview that. Let's make the screen bigger. And now type in T so that you can write your name. Click on font style. Choose any of the fonts that are set in your brand. Let's make this fun. So Marcia Master. That's my name. Don't wear it out. Let's position this in the middle, and then let's enlarge this by clicking the plus next to the font size. Copy, paste, and here we're going to add our handle, our social media handles. So you usually should be the same throughout every platform. Center. Let's go to elements, click button, and I don't like it this high. Let's shorten it or make it smaller, and then let's make it wider because we want it to fit the length of our mobile. There we go. That's good enough. So let's copy and paste. You have Instagram, X, Facebook, your website, your request forms, anything and everything that you have a link to. Let's just add buttons for each link. Expand your page. I'm just doing a little bit. I'm not doing that much because this is just an example. But if you have a lot more, just do that. And then click on the button and drag it, and the actual guides that Canva provides will tell you how far you should keep it and if it's centered with the above element. Okay, make sure everything is uniform. Let's preview it. Everything looks great. Let's head back, make this a little bit longer, and actually let's bring this down a little bit. Further down. Click on the first button and type out website or any of the links that you actually want to attach the buttons to. I am a baking business, so I'm putting website, request a cake quote, request a cookie quote. Always have a call to action, so sign up for your newsletter. And then just so on. Just keep adding your Facebook, your Instagram, all your links. Okay, to change and customize these buttons, we're going to hit color. Then I'm matching it to the background. And as you can see there, the photo colors, you just click on each button and just hit on the color that you want to match it to. And then let's get out of that. And let's link our website. Right click, then hit link, and then type out or paste whichever link you have for your website, your forms, your newsletter, and so on. Click done, and then it will confirm. So you're going to click done a second time, and it will underline your link. In order to take that off, just go to the top and click the U. We're going to click a form this time. I'm going to use JotForm. Just click on any of the forms that you've created, click more, then publish form, and then it will pull up this box. Click on the green copy link, go back, right click, click link, and paste. Click done, confirm done, and then go and remove the underline. So now we have our actual link hub, and we're going to go and publish. You're going to put a name under website URL, and then just click publish, and you have your clickable link hub. Thanks for hanging out with me today on SweetTube Academy. If you love this tutorial and want more sweet tips for building your baking biz, or just making things a little extra cute, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss a crumb. Got questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments. I love hearing from my fellow bakers and creative minds. Until next time, keep it sweet, keep it smart, and remember, your brand deserves to be as fabulous as your frosting. See you next time.